I'm making a dish today called Hunter's Chicken. It's made all in one pot. It's made with leg quarters and mushrooms and tomatoes. It's really good. It's a quick and easy meal for an evening time. Take you about an hour. Let's get started. Right here, right now, on Darlene's table. I've seasoned the leg quarters with salt and pepper. First, I'm going to crisp up the bacon and then remove it. Let it drain, and we're leaving the bacon fat in the pot so I can brown the leg quarters for about 5 minutes on each side. Now I'm removing these 2 quarters to a plate, and be sure to save all those juices that accumulate in the plate. All right, this is the last 2. I'm removing the last 2 to the plate. Now I'm adding the shallots. I'm going to cook that till they're translucent. And the garlic. I'm going to add the mushrooms. You can use any combination of mushrooms that you want to use. And I add the thyme. We're going to let these mushrooms cook a bit till they've softened up. This tomato paste comes in a tube. It's great instead of having to open a can and then try to save what's left in the can when all you need is a tablespoon. Just squeeze out your tablespoon, cover it up, and put it back in the refrigerator. Stir the tomato paste in well. Next is the flour. We're going to put the flour in and give this a good stir and let that flour cook a bit, maybe a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I let this go about 5 minutes. So after that, I'm adding the wine, which will deglaze the pan. This is duck and veal glaze. You can buy this at high-end grocery stores, but I put a substitution in the recipe. You can use part beef and part chicken stock instead of the duck and veal glaze. Now the tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. Raise the heat to medium-high and add the chicken quarters back in. Be sure to add the accumulated juices back to the pot. A lot of flavor in that. Bringing this to a boil, I'm going to turn the heat back to a medium-low, put the lid on it, and we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes. It's time to uncover and serve up in a bowl. So let's pull out one of the leg quarters and ladle plenty of the liquid from the pot, making sure I get a large portion of mushrooms. I plan to garnish this with parsley and the bacon we cooked earlier. Well, there you have it, Hunter's Chicken. There are many versions of Hunter's Chicken. This is the French recipe, which is really called Poulet Chasseur, which means Hunter's Chicken. In Italy, it's called chicken cacciatore. Cacciatore means hunter in Italian. But whatever you call it, it's just dang good chicken, and that's Texan. It's tender and full of flavor, and it's easy. So please give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments. So if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Click on the like button and hit the bell so you will be notified when we post another video. Anyway, we hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.